Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can turn on and off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you want to use Wi-Fi and you don't know how to turn it on or off, we need to simply go to the settings, then go to connections, and then over here on the right side you can tap on this slider in order to turn on or off Wi-Fi. You can also tap on the Wi-Fi text in order to find all available networks. Then you can select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to, enter the password and press connect. If you are already connected, or if you have been connected to Wi-Fi before, you can also use the quick access. So in the home screen you can swipe from the top to the bottom in order to open the quick access, and over here you have Wi-Fi button, or you should have Wi-Fi button if you didn't edit it before, and you can press on it in order to toggle Wi-Fi. You can also swipe one more time in order to find more options, and then you should once again find Wi-Fi in the top left corner. You can press on it in order to enable and disable the Wi-Fi module. You can also press and hold on it in order to find the list of all available networks, also the one that you are connected to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.